everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me, Organzan. Today I am going to be making tortilla soup. My best friend Teresa has come to stay with me and she has a recipe that is so delicious and she was nice enough to share it with me. So she pretty much eyeballs all the ingredients. I'm just going to show you how we prepared this particular batch. She has about, I don't know, six large carrots here, and she's going to start by chopping them in large rustic sized chunks. And now she's going to chop the celery into the large chunks as well. Looks like we used about 5 stalks of celery. We'll chop up 1 large onion. And then we bought a already roasted chicken from the grocery store and shredded that up. You can use as much chicken as you prefer. And now we're going to add 2 32-ounce cartons of vegetable broth. You can also use chicken broth if you prefer. And here we're going to add 2 large cans of whole tomatoes with the juice. And here's our special ingredient. This is Goya's brand of sofrito, and it is a tomato cooking base and it has got all kinds of yummy vegetables in it, garlic and cilantro and onions, and it's a delicious base for this particular soup. We added 4 heaping tablespoons of this to our soup, but you can add how much you want according to taste. And then we just added some salt and pepper, and you can add as much as you want. And now you want your soup to cook. I think we cooked ours for over an hour, and so just keep checking your large chunks of carrots and celery. You want them to be nice and tender, and that's when you know your soup will be ready. You might be wondering where the tortilla part comes in, and we add that at the end. For this particular video, we added tortilla strips because we thought it would be pretty, but you would more commonly use your favorite tortilla chips. Now you could add your cheese, and we also added a dollop of sour cream because we wanted our soup to be creamy, and we also garnished it with some avocado. This soup is so delicious, and it reminds us of the soup that we eat at our favorite Mexican restaurant when I go to visit her in Southern California called Los Domingos. And so I hope you decide to try this recipe yourself. You will not be disappointed. It is delicious. Thanks for watching, friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.